What's up, guys? Indigo Ghost 392 back again with another late night install video. And tonight, what I'm gonna get into is these awesome fog light rings from Scalia Motorsport. I had these for a minute, and it's just been cold, and I've been lazy. But as you can see in my last video, I'll put in the LED side markers, so you guys check that out. But I got this from Anthony, the owner over there, and I'm not sure if this is a prototype or if he is selling them up on the site, because I haven't seen this particular product. Me and him were talking about it, and he sent them over to me probably a month or so ago to try them out. So as you can see, it'll fit flush in there. Don't mind my elbow. But I gotta take the 3M tape on the back. So that's how it should look, you know, when it gets in there. I'm gonna give you guys a better shot. But he coated these, put the 3M tape on the back. So I'm going to prep this and put it on and see what you guys think. Give me 1 second, because as usual, when I'm trying to install and record, it's a lot of cuts on here, but bear with me. All right, so one very important detail I forgot to mention is the alcohol prep pad, and I did it on this one, but I'll show you on the other side. So I got the 3M tape all exposed and ready to put on there. Give it some good presses. And I am this close because my garage door is closed and it's cold outside. So as you can see, minus all the movement I did, got to put it around the bulb. And plus, this will set overnight. And let me get to the other side. All right, so I missed this step the last time. So you want to just, he sent some alcohol prep pad. So just want to take it, get it all around the surface. That's done. And I already took the adhesive off of this. And it only go one way. And you can feel it and go in there. Give it some presses. And I wish it was warmer outside, so the adhesive, you know, could stick a little better, or to, you know, warm up some. But I let it sit overnight and give it a drive in the morning. All right, so yeah, they have it fully in there. So bam, that's what it looks like. This is the passenger side right here. And I also got the headlamp rings from them as well, same color, the yellow jacket color. So I got those. to match these. And hold on, let me see. Got the keys. Lock it. There we go. Yeah, that's it right there. Tell me what you guys think. It's a little challenging recording because I'm right up against the garage door, but just, you know, gets you a very good look at it. The passenger side. Then go on over right there to the driver's side. You know, rings too. So boom. And these was a little bit of the mods that I had to catch up on to put on. But again, Scalia Motorsports, I'll drop a link in the description below. I'm not 100% sure if he's selling these. These might be a one-to-one for now, but I'm not sure. But Scalia Motorsports, go check them out. And I think I got one more mod I might put in at nighttime or do something else with my Impala. All right, guys, check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.